The recovery blade is the thin mylar blade, parallel to the wiper blade, that keeps the waste toner into the waste toner chamber. The recovery blade ride up against the drum and prevent excess toner from falling out of the waste hopper. If your toner cartridge leaks toner, probably this blade is damaged. If this blade is damaged, toner will drop onto the printed page, causing print defects, like random dots all over the page. Anytime you see this blade warped, coming loose, wearing across the blade that causes small pinholes toner could leak through, it's time to replace it. Replace only the damaged recovery blades. If not damaged, the recovery blade is a quite durable part, and it does not need to be replaced. Start removing the old blade. Remove all the adhesive left in the cartridge. Clean the surface with alcohol. Install the new recovery blade. It must cover all the waste toner container, from felt to felt. It must be near the wiper blade, but not too close. Always leave at least 2 mm. The waste toner powder must have enough space to pass through the opening between the wiper blade and the recovery blade. The blade must be perfectly straight, no waves, no angles. It's possible to repair a slightly detached recovery blade using adhesive. Be careful, if not properly attached, the blade could wrap around the drum, or the magnetic roller, damaging the cartridge.